creative directors and they try. Oh my god, nobody told me child photography was.
Sorry.
Hey guys, this is the day that the Lord has made. Road to Leah Baby Boo's 6-month photo shoot. It's today. I'm so excited. Let's go and meet the birthday boy. Oh my god. Literally 6 months ago. Baby Boo. Oh, he's naked. Baby Boo, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Yes, we are getting ready. I am so excited. My very good friend is going to be shooting Liam today. I want to make dinner. I said dinner. I want to make lunch because we just got back from church not too long ago, and I want to first eat first, and I'll start playing up. See, he's so excited. You're so happy for today, right? Ah, my baby, that smile, they must see it. You must put it on the camera. Yes, my boy. Anyways, let me go and make lunch because when I'm done, he's so excited. I'm going to start blowing up the balloons and setting up everywhere before my friend, that's the photographer, gets here. Stay tuned. Liam Bosky. So that's our cake. It's on its way. So yeah, let's just wait. Yay. So today is all about my baby Boo. So firstly, he has to eat. Where's our birthday boy? Hi, Boogie. Come and eat your food. Wait to worry you today, sir. Yes, sit down. We're not using our chair today. Okay. Auntie Janet. Our famous Auntie Janet. Okay, your beep. So I'm going to drop this down. Let me know where. Let's meet. Let me go and eat. So I can start blowing your balloons, okay? Yes. Parent of the year. Parent of the year. Yes, guys, so I'm about to blow up our balloons. Oh, you come back. I'm about to blow up our balloons. I got some party props from China Mall, remember? This is the first balloon, so hopefully I was my friend will be here soon, so I want to be fast and blow up the balloons. Yeah, don't let me use it. Don't. No! Please watch out. Go get down. DIY. So we'll change him.
Let's see how it would look in the chair.
Okay. Alright. Okay, before I even this. Oh my god, it's not spelled. Hey, China Mall. Yeah, don't sleep off. Hey. I'll just put it on top.
Where was it before?
Yeah, corporate, okay. It's ready. That's Carlos. Oh. Carlos, say hi.
Let's take a few times.
So, getting ready. Can you guys see me? I'm the assistant birthday girl. Of course, I've pumped some of the balloons. Here they are. So yeah, shooting soon. Oh, let me show you our yummy cake. Yummy cake. That's our cake. So cute to the 6. You see better when we start filming. So yeah, what's wrong, baby? You want to sleep? Liam wants to sleep. They've not started anything. Liam Bosky, my baby Bosky. I get excited. So we're doing some test shots first. For the
Focus now.
test. Liamboski.
Alright, so the background works good.
Can I see?
The blue and the Let's do it next time. He doesn't wear himself out.
Baby is so beautiful.
Yeah.
So baby, let's go get changed, okay? Ah!
Okay.
Oh my god, nobody told me child photography was.
Sorry.
Liamboski, my baby Boski.
Sorry.
Fubu.
Sorry.
He's so over the shit.
Yeah, you can sit down. Just let him relax a little bit. Then
Liam.
come, so stand behind me.
Let him follow. I'm going to go and sit down before you fall.
Yeah. Yeah, I just need to
Oh my god, this is people. At Jenny, go there, we can laugh too much. Hey God.
Please come back a little. Let me see how this looks. Hi, young man. Are you ready? Okay.
Don't look at me.
I'm looking at your nose. Okay. Tip. Liam.
Yeah.
Liam.
Push up. Why are these too long with the balloons?
Can you do this?
This go plenty for you.
I wish you smile like this for me when I'm holding that camera.
Yeah.
So I can shoot you.
You guys, nobody told me
Come.
children photography is tough. So tough. I'm tired. Yeah. I think this should suffice this thing for because this way he's falling. So if he falls, he can just land here.
Okay. Okay. Can I have the camera, please?
Oh, well, Kali's yeah.
So I'm gonna slide now, okay? And I'm gonna maintain your position, okay? And that smile, okay? Okay. You wait, okay?
Our lovely cake, 6 months old. Okay, so we're gonna put it over here so the birthday thing can show. 6 can be here. Okay, so all right, Kalis, I'm ready. Kalis, Liamboski. There is smash a cake. He wants to sleep. I now know why pay children photographers look. This is not easy.
Are you ready?
Being a creative director is not
You
easy.
don't keep doing this. You're gonna
I'm
have
tired.
to sit and smash your cake. And smash your cake. And smash your cake. And smash your cake. Are you ready? Are you ready? Shall we? Please, where's his wipes? Ow! My ear!
The one where you bring out just now. Where you do? That's what the thing go
Are
the
you
waste.
ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ow!
Yes,
Okay.
we are ready to smash our cake.
You're gonna sit like that, huh?
Oh! That would be something.
Oh yeah, Liam. Oh yeah, sit down. Hey, boogie boy. Yeah, sit down first.
Sit, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
We are stressing you. You're so sorry.
Come on. Hey,
Okay.
Liam.
So, okay,
Liam.
this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put the cake in your palm. Okay, and then bring it close to him. Okay.
Liam.
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 Bring your hand down a little bit.
Liam.
Liam.
Liam. Hey, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Whoa!
Wakala.
Hey! Take 1, take 2, take 3.
Yeah.
Liam!
Yeah.
Smash it, baby.
Okay, so we can take this off now.
Okay. Hey, it's for that is wrong.
Eddie, I'm sorry.
I was taking pictures like I was talking to them.
Okay, so fold it. And, I don't want this to stick too much. I just need him to. Yeah, so hold it tight. Yeah. Okay. So open that hand. Okay, good. Yeah.
Good job, Papa. Let's smash
Okay. Okay, hold his hand. Hold his hand. Hold it. Hold.
Liam.
Okay. Liam, smash. Okay.
Liam, smash. Liam. Waste is spinning you. That's the entire crew. Okay. Yeah, baby, sorry, okay? You did good, okay? Must still bite. Sorry, my baby. Watching his favorite show. Oh, it takes a village, indeed. It takes a village. See, ice on my cake. Anyways, guys, that's all for today's vlog. Sorry, baby. I was gonna text my baby. So I hope you guys like his content. Today was about Liam Baby Boo, his first photo shoot. Yeah, proper photo shoot. 6 months birthday shoot. Happy birthday, my baby. I'm not his favorite person right now. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.